In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate data in cells. If you've ever wished your headers took up less space or wanted your labels to stand out visually, rotating text in Google Sheets is a quick, clean way to do it. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can apply it right away. Start by opening your Google Sheets file and deciding which cells need rotation. Click and drag to select a range, or click a column letter or row number if you want to affect an entire column or row. You can also hold the modifier key on your keyboard to select separate blocks of cells. The key is to make sure everything you want rotated is highlighted before you make the change. Next, look at the toolbar across the top of your sheet and find the text rotation icon. It looks like a capital A with a slanted arrow. Click that icon to open the rotation menu. You'll see options that include tilting and stacking. Tilt up and tilt down angle your text diagonally. Tilt up generally leans text from the bottom left toward the top right, while tilt down does the opposite. These are great for compact headers where you still want a bit of horizontal flow. Stack vertically arranges each character one under the other in a straight column, which is perfect when you have narrow columns or long labels that would otherwise wrap awkwardly. Choose the option that best matches your layout. As soon as you click it, you'll see your selected cells update instantly. If it looks too cramped or too extreme, simply open the text rotation menu again and switch to a different tilt or the stack option. You can always return your cells to a normal orientation by choosing the None or Default option in that same menu. A couple of practical pointers as you experiment. Tilted text is ideal for short headers and codes because it saves horizontal space without hiding information. If your text is longer, stacking can make it more readable at a glance, especially in dashboards or narrow tables. Consistency helps your sheet look professional, so apply the same rotation style across similar headers. And remember, rotation doesn't change the data itself, just the way it's displayed, so sorting and formulas will continue to work as expected. That's all there is to it. Select your cells, click the text rotation icon, and pick a tilt or stack option to match your layout. Try a few variations, see what improves readability, and settle on the style that fits your sheet's design. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.